So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. Nowadays you all might have seen that there are a lot of AI art generation websites what we use in our videos and also you might have also used. But nobody tells you about the apps. Well, that is what I am going to show you today. Today I am going to show you 5 AI art generation apps that you can use on your mobile, and be it an Android or iOS, they work on both. So let's start the video without wasting any time. But before starting the video, I just want you to know that if you are interested in AI or chat GPT or AI with MS Office and chat GPT, you can attend our workshop that is just available for 9 rupees, and the link is in the description and the further details would be given ahead in the video.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
And let's start the video, guys. So the first AI art generation app is Wonder AI. The biggest ability of this AI is that you can specify the size of the output if you want, and if you see there are a lot of different styles to choose from and there are a lot of presets what you can use. But you can actually also write with the prompt, but you can actually write anything in the prompt area what you want to create using the AI. And you can look also some of the other AI art generated photos that have been created by people, and you can copy paste that prompts and modify them according to your needs if you want them, because there's a description to them. So if you click on this Cyberpunk Tokyo Street View, so if you see, you can add this into your prompt. And if you want that I don't want Tokyo, let's say I want London in this, so just write Cyberpunk London Street View, and then I want to add that I want Big Ben Tower, so just click on that and click on create, and now you see the AI will create an art for you and it generates 3 different images for you. You can select whichever image you want, and if you see I am liking the second one, and just click on the download button. Modify the prompt after generating the image, and if you want to wish you add a moon to it, so just click on that, and now if you see there's this there is this moon added into this Big Bang Tower image, and the image has been completely changed. And if you want, you can also add one of your own photo. I am adding one of my friend's photo. So AI will use your image as a reference and will make an image out of it. So if you'll click an anime man, and if you see the photos, these are really good, and it has made this this anime man. And believe me, the more ahead we move in the video, the apps would get much better while moving ahead. And let's move on to the second app. So the second AI app that we are going to use is Dream by Wombo. This app is also the same. You can do anything by just entering a prompt. But if you see, it has a lot more than styles if compared to Wonder AI. And I have noticed using this app that this app is really good at creating crossover images. So if I write a prompt something like this, that Iron Man, Batman, Superman, Spider-Man, and if we choose on our style that is abstract fluid and click on create, and if you see, it has created a blend of all 4 images. So if you are happy with the results, just click on finalize. But if you are not happy with the results, just click on mix variation once again. If you are happy with the image, just click on the download button, and you can just directly click on download as original, or you can choose as download as phone background. And now if you want, you can have a unique AI art generated wallpaper for your phone. And just like Wonder AI, you also have the option to add your own image and do AI changes to it. You can also adjust the influence that the image would have on the AI artwork that would be generated. So I'll just write a doc, will generate this AI image, and if you see, there's this great community interacting with each other with their photos or whatever they are generating. And you can use these prompts apparently to if you want to generate your own images by using these prompts, or if you want to modify them. So if you have reached till here in the video, I believe that you are really liking the video, and if you are liking the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Be10x. We work really hard to get these videos to you. And also, if you want to learn more about AI, chat GPT or MS Office with AI and chat GPT, there is this AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees. And believe me that this workshop would really help you in a lot of ways, and it will teach you more than 1000 AI tools that will help you increase your productivity and also enhance your career. And this might be the best way to spend your 9 rupees. And to attend this AI tools workshop, you can just go to the link which is in the description, and you can attend this AI workshop just for 9 rupees. So let's continue the video ahead, and I believe that you would click on that link. So the third app is Linja, and Linja is an app that I got inspired from Super Saf because I saw on his community post these AI art generated images that he had posted, and and I believe that the app what he was using was Linja AI. So if you want to create the avatar using it, just click on this flashing smiley button, and then you just click on create new avatar, and it will tell you what to expect from the AI, and it will tell you the requirements what you want. And if you want your photos to be generated really well, you need to upload 20 unique photos, and no photos should be like similar to each other, and also giving you some guidelines like what should be the rules while if you are uploading the photos to the AI. At this point of time, you can't use like your animals images because it doesn't recognize the animals, but you can use your own images. And if you see, I have uploaded these images like on the Linja AI, and it will send them to the cloud to generate a AI avatar for you. So now if you see, it has generated such a good image of yours, and you can use this as a wallpaper or anywhere if you want to show off that you have created this image. And for a graphic designer, it would take him a lot of time to even create that, and like this has created this image for you in just a small amount of time, and the image is really good with the resolution and everything. So fourth app is AI art generator by Tab Universe, and the one of the best thing of this is that if once you buy the subscription to this app, you can keep this app to you forever. You don't need to pay it again and again. But the problem with this is that you might need to work or have to hustle a little bit to get the desired results what you are expecting. The idea to solve this problem for you is that you can use this predefined results that like people have been using and copy those prompts. And if you see, we have written this, and you can like change the prompt now, like a cyberpunk cat rather than a dog. We can change anything in the prompt now, whatever you want. So if you want that, you can do red and orange rather than blue, and just add some words which are like recognized by AI that you might need to learn, like Unreal Engine, photorealistic, beautiful portrait of a digital art. And if you see, it has created an image of a cat, and that looks really cool, and that is incredibly unique. And once you are happy with the image, just click on save, and it will be saved to your gallery. And again, you can use this image as your wallpaper too. The best part about this AI is, or every AI is, that as it more improves or a lot of users increase on that platform, the AI will start learning more and more, and the results would get more better and more enhanced. So it's a really good thing. And the last AI app is that we all have known, or we all might have used nowadays, or even for a trial, that is Midjourney. And now Midjourney has an app version too. And according to me, it's like the best of the best AI art generators. So how to get this app? Before getting this app, you need to install Discord and create an account if you don't have one. And then just go on website midjourney.com and just click on join the beta, and it will give you an invite of accept invite to Discord. And now you are on the Discord channel of Midjourney, and where you can like create AI art images for yourself too. And the results are really amazing. And if you see the pictures that are already created by people, you see the creativity. That creativity is like to the next level what people are using this. And nowadays a lot of websites have started using the pictures through Midjourney to post on their websites. Or in this free trial of Midjourney, you will get 25 free renders. Don't become too excited and use all of those 25 renders for like in a quick amount of time. You can use it like while learning the app by observing people, and then use it for your own choice. And then you can use it like wisely. And if you have a subscription model, that you will get 200 renders. To generate an image, you just need to write /imagine prompt, and then you write what you want to write as a prompt. I'll write this Pug Gundam surfing Unreal Engine big wave Japan. And if you see, it will take a little time and you need to be a little patient. But if you see, it has started creating images for you. And again, these are these four images what it is creating. And if you see that the images that are being generated has the fast version because it has a subscription model. And if you want to upscale any image, you can just click on like U1, and the bot will upscale that particular image, and it will like make the details more enhanced for you. And once you are happy with the image that you have created, just click on download, and it will be saved into your photo. And see, it's that easy, guys. And that is how like you can use AI art generation apps to create images for you, or any kind of AI art that you want to create, without wasting a lot of time of yours. And that is it for this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment if you have any doubts, and also don't forget to subscribe Be10x. And do remember this, that you have an AI tools workshop that you can attend just for 9 rupees and you will learn a lot of things. And the link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.